England, knowing it would be a huge challenge. I felt we competed well for long periods, but at this level the smallest moments can change everything. We created opportunities, we worked hard as a team, but unfortunately it wasn't enough to get the result we wanted. I'm proud of the effort every player gave tonight. Nobody stopped fighting even when things became difficult, and that's something we can take away from this game. Losing is never easy, especially in a tournament like this, but these moments are part of football. We have to stay together, be honest with ourselves, learn from our mistakes, and use this experience to become a better team in the future. Personally, I always expect more from myself because I want to help my team win every match. Whether I score or not, the only thing that really matters to me is the result. Today we leave disappointed, but I will keep working, keep improving, and do everything I can to help Norway achieve bigger things. That's the responsibility I have, and it's one I enjoy. I also want to thank every Norwegian supporter who stood behind us throughout this tournament, and your support means everything to us, whether you're in the stadium or watching from home. We know we let you down tonight, and that hurts, but this group has a strong mentality and a bright future.